Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. I'm gonna go down to Macau alley in a second. I'll just kind of let you see what's around here. So you got these tall buildings. It's kind of like a wall of them all on one side. And actually this is all parking, I guess. So I guess each one can pull right out. So, okay, so anyways, these are these tall buildings, so you can see all the residential here. And what we're gonna do is go into this little alley. So this alley is pretty cool. So we're just gonna walk down and just see. I've been in here before, but it's not very often. But whenever I've come down, it's like, wow, it's kind of cool. So you got these kind of alleyways. This building is kind of makeshift, which I think is kind of interesting too. Yeah, it's like it feels like it doesn't really belong here, but yet it does. So it's such a really cool building. And then this one, I guess, is Macau Faith Church. So I guess it's a really cool alley. I really like this. And then you can see these kind of rusted up there. Actually, a lot of rust. So yeah, actually you got a lot of little hidden surprises everywhere in Macau. And yeah, these two. These look like they're looks like they've been there a long time. We got some graffiti. Let's see. Okay. Let's take a look. This is kind of interesting. Another side of Macau. So, gonna walk up. A Romy pizza. Yeah, you never know what's in these neighborhoods, you know. So now we're walking in. Kind of feels like a canyon feel. Huh, this says Africa. African fish? I don't know. Yeah, you never know what you see, right? Kind of makes you wonder like how each of these stay in business. Because whatever they sell, if you sell Africa fish, how many can you actually sell? But the crazy thing though is the rent is not cheap in Macau, so I don't know. I guess they must own it, and they just I don't know what this is either. It's like a storage shed. But yeah, somebody owns each one of these spaces, right? So each one is owned by somebody. And like, yeah, a storage shed, that seems like that would just be, I guess people just own it for a long time, I guess. Yeah, these ones are like constructing something. Engineering company. Yeah, okay. Anyways. So we're just gonna head up to the main street. I just kind of did a detour around a little alley thing. Huh. Yeah, you never know what you find. Plants. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna sneak across here. And then this temple is really cool. Yeah, someone's taking care of it, and like right on the corner here too. Yep. Okay. another temple right in the city. Many temples. Oh, there's some more artwork over there too. I don't know if you can see that. I'd walk over there, but it's a little bit hard to get over. Okay. Actually, I'm actually going to do some, try to find something in this area, but I'm going to start right here. This is called, this is a roller rink. And somebody else was mentioning a roller rink. I'm going to talk about that next. And I'm going to go back to that building as well. So, okay, this will conclude this one. This is basically in the alleys of deep in Macau. Chiquinha.